In the body, calcium not only cares for bones, but it also helps blood to clot and muscles to contract. Hypocalcemia is when there is a lack of calcium in the blood, either because the parathyroid gland isn't producing enough of its hormone, or when there is a lack of vitamin D, which helps absorb calcium. Hypocalcemia can be fixed by the parathyroid gland releasing more of its hormone and signaling the kidneys and small intestines. Hypercalcemia, however, is the opposite, and it refers to when there is an excess of calcium in the blood, which can weaken bones and cause kidney stones. Hypercalcemia can be fixed by the parathyroid releasing less of its hormone, or the thyroid gland can release calcitonin. Another factor of calcium levels is the bone cells. Osteoblasts are bone cells that create other bone cells, and osteoclasts are bone cells that degrade bone, releasing ionized calcium in the process. If there is too much ionized calcium being released, then the thyroid gland releases calcitonin, which inhibits osteoclast activity, the things that release ionized calcium when they degrade bone, and it also lowers the absorption of ionized calcium in the kidneys, leading to a lower concentration in the blood. This is a negative feedback loop. However, if there is not enough calcium in the blood, then the parathyroid gland releases its hormone to invigorate osteoclast activity, signals the kidney to absorb more calcium, and it also signals the small intestine to absorb more calcium, which they can do because they have vitamin D. This leads to a higher level of ionized calcium in the bloodstream, and this is considered a positive feedback loop.